welcome to today's vlog. It's around 4 o'clock in the evening, and I know this is a weird time to start a vlog, but actually I was gonna start it tomorrow. That is, I wanted to vlog for the Sunday only, but then I'm doing it right now. And right now I'm sitting in front of the sun. I'm gonna try and use my sunscreen right now. I got this. You can't see this one. Is Plum's green tea daylight sunscreen. Now this was free with the product that I bought from Plum, and I thought let's try this one out because I have run out of my sunscreen right now, so I'm gonna apply this right now. So I wanted to show you guys real quick. This is the sunscreen here. I have a little on my hand here. I have the sunscreen on my face right now, and honestly it smells like the green tea range, like every product from the green tea range by Plum smells like. It smells exactly the same like that. And I can't see any white cast. Like, it's been 5 minutes I guess after I've applied this, and I can't see any white cast on my face. My face looks good. I mean, my face looks okay, and it's very lightweight. It was looking like a cream at first, but then it was gel based and absorbed perfectly onto my face, and my face feels light. Okay, I'm sweating because the fan's off, and yeah, don't need a natural highlighter because my face does the work. I sweat and it just gives me highlight. Like, see this part, see this part. Reason for doing this vlog today is because my best friend, she's gonna come to drop me the cupcakes. Now she has started a business, and she is dropping me the cupcakes the first time I'm gonna try it. So I really wanted to vlog. I'm meeting her after like 8 months, almost 8 months, yeah, because I met her last in December, and after that we couldn't meet, and then COVID and everything, we were back home but we couldn't meet yet. And have some tea and toast. It's around 4 o'clock, so yeah, and I'll meet you when I go to meet her. Till then, let's wait. I'm really excited, by the way. Hey guys, so I'm still waiting. She hasn't arrived yet, and here my mom went to the market and she got me all of this here. This is bhujia safe, Punjabi tadka, son papdi. This is not mine. My family loves it. I eat it just sometimes. And this is a coconut biscuit. I have been currently obsessed with this biscuit. I'm craving this a lot these days. So yeah, if you want to try any of these, you can go ahead. This is really good, by the way. And that's spicy. This is mid spicy somewhere. I know you guys know because you must have had Haldiram sometimes in your life. So my friend is here. We are meeting after finally like 8 months. Yes, 8 months. Yeah, and she's finally here. Pagal hai tu.
I'm really happy.
And she brought the cupcakes. Yeah, do follow her. अपना पेज का नाम बताओ यार, मेरे को नाम
Sugar Crush 2560.
हाँ, जमशेदपुर के आसपास रहते हो, ऑर्डर कर सकते हो. बहुत टेस्टी कपकेक्स है. मैं दिखाऊंगी बाद में ब्लॉग में. बस एंजल. बाय. बाय आंटी. Thank you cupcake के लिए. So guys, yeah, I have the cupcakes here. Thank you so much Angela for this one. She just left right now, and I have the cupcakes here. Here's the chocolate and caramel one, and here's the butterscotch and the vanilla one. Guys, I'll show you when I open this once.
1 hour later.
Guys, here are the cupcakes. One I have already eaten. It was this butterscotch one, and this is vanilla. These are chocolate and caramel. This looks so tasty, and it is really yummy. You guys should try it out. And here I have a note which I'm going to take out now, which I'm going to read now. Thank you for ordering from us. I hope the cupcake brings a smile to your face and you have an enjoyable experience. Looking forward to serve you again. It was pleasure serving you. Love, Sugar Crush. Guys, these are really tasty. Please go and try it out. We gossiped for like 5 minutes straight, and it was good catching up with her after like 8 months and all. It was really great, and she brought me the cupcakes. It's really yummy.
The next morning.
Guys, good morning. And I just woke up right now. I woke up late. It's Sunday today, so I don't have my online classes. So I wake up late today because every day in the week I have to wake up early. Oh my god, why does my voice sound like this? Oh god. And I'm just gonna go freshen up, have a bath, and yeah, I'll cook something. So I'll see you guys there after that. So yeah, I'm just gonna go. I couldn't vlog yesterday after I had those cupcakes because I was literally feeling lazy and it's that time of the month, so I felt like sleeping, and I couldn't vlog much yesterday. So we'll be doing a lot of things today, I hope. So yeah, I'll catch you guys later. I'm gonna go and oh my god, I'm feeling again so lazy. So I am back after having a really good bath, and I wasn't going to, but then I decided to scrub my body a bit. So I just scrubbed my hands today, not much, and yeah, it's feeling dry right now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some aloe vera gel. And it's raining outside. It's looking very pretty though, but I don't want to show you because you won't be able to see it. It's not that heavy right now. And yeah, I have to show you that what I was using. So after aloe vera gel, I usually go ahead and apply my moisturizer. This is the one. This is from Vaseline, their body ice cream. Now I really wanted to talk about this moisturizer because this is heaven. This is just heaven, and I'm someone who has very oily skin type, and my skin doesn't get so much hydration because what happens is that I don't like putting moisturizer because it gets oily. But this one is a gel formula, and this one, as I apply this on my skin, I feel cool, I feel so great, and I'm not kidding. You should try this one if you have really oily skin and you have you live in a place where it's very hot and humid and you don't want to put a moisturizer that could make it more oily or sticky. Definitely try this one out. And then I've just applied some cream on my face, and applied a face mist. I applied the Plum's face mist. I don't have it here right now. And then I applied this one, moisturizer from Pond's. I know you guys must be knowing this is so hyped up these days. So yeah, I used this one, and I also wanted to show you guys the face scrub that I used. Sorry, face scrub, what am I saying? The body scrub that I used. This is from Good Vibes, the strawberry and coffee detoxifying one. This is my first tub only. I mean, I'm trying this out. I will give a detailed review on this soon. So now I'm just gonna go and cook the chicken that I was thinking of preparing today. I have just had a little brunch kind of thing. I had some food. I'm just gonna go ahead and cook the chicken. So guys, right now I'm in the kitchen and I'm gonna make, it's not actually roast chicken, it's basically tandoori chicken, but I'm gonna make it roast chicken. I'm not gonna use any charcoal or anything in the end, so it's gonna be a roast chicken only. So cut little openings on the chicken so that the marination gets inside, and check on you later after I've done halfway through. I put all the ingredients I had to put for the marination. So now I'm just gonna marinate all of this. I'm not touching this with my hand because it has red chili in it. So yeah, I'm gonna use a spoon. See you in a bit. And I have to keep it for 30 minutes now, and then I'll go and roast it on the pan. And if you're wondering about the recipe, then I'll link it in the description below for you guys to check, and you can see how much I've sweated. Oh god, it's really hot here. So I'm just gonna wait for it, and then I'll catch you guys again in the kitchen. My roasted chicken is ready. Here it is. It really looks good. That's all the oil that's soaked in the paper. And if you're wondering, this is a chutney that my mom made with. She made it with some salt, tomatoes, and some coriander. And this is mayonnaise plus sauce that I just made right now. These are lemons here, and this just looks so yummy, and I tasted it a little bit. It's really good. You can try it out, guys. The link will be in the description to the video. Guys, my hair looks a mess right now, I know, because I've been sweating a lot. I was cooking and it's really hot right now, so that's the thing. And the chicken was really good. Everyone enjoyed in my family, and we finished it whole. It was not so much, it was just little, but yeah, everyone had it. Raining, pouring heavily outside, and still it's hot and humid. I don't know what to do. I thought I'll just share my skincare routine, night skincare routine. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. I'm a very lazy person. I skip it some days. So I'm just gonna go and do that now, and I'll wash my face and then I'll catch you guys up. I'm back after washing my face, and it's pouring really heavily outside. I just saw that. And if you guys are wondering, I really like to keep my face wash very lightweight, very normal, very light and very general on my face at the night. So the one that I use currently is this one. This is from Himalaya, the Purifying Neem face wash. And of course, everyone knows this is an OG. Everyone has used it sometime or the other in their life. So yes, and I use this one here. So I usually like to not use a lot of stuff on my face because I'm an oily skin type, but there are a bunch of products that I use. And if you want a detailed night care routine, then comment down below. I'll do that one. I'm just gonna apply my night care stuff. So guys, I am done with my night care routine. You can see the detailed one. Do comment down below. And yeah, now I'll just go and get some sleep. I have applied my lip balm. I'm gonna maybe munch on these here. So I'm gonna munch on those and maybe watch Netflix or Amazon Prime or play PUBG. And I also have to actually do a little bit of homework that I got from my online classes. So yeah, I guess I'll be doing all of that. And yeah, I like to make a plait before I go to sleep. It keeps my hair really in one place and it's really good. So yeah, that's it, and I guess I'll end the vlog here now. Hey guys, if you can hear me, I have my friends here.
Hi, what's up?
Don't act like you are not here for a second and then you just appeared, okay? Cool. Guys, so much for watching this vlog. If you really enjoyed this, do give it a like and comment करना कोई और video suggestions हो आपके पास, and share it with your friends. And it's really thundering, really loud. I could hear it right now. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, guys. And yeah, I'll just go. Good night, guys. Love you. Bye.